This will blow up your YouTube up and change the way you see shorts. After this video, you will start uploading shorts, not just anyhow shorts, but the ones that will generate hundreds of thousands of views, both watch hours, both subscriber for you. This is the big secret big creators are hiding from you. The way you upload shorts matters. It is not just about posting a random clip. If you are doing it wrong, YouTube won't push your video no matter how good it is. This video has gotten me about 330.2k views from this short and this watch hours you are seeing right now. That is the good news. But today I am revealing everything. I will show you step by step how to upload short the right way so the algorithm works for you, not against you. And I will even share a few hidden secrets that top creators use to blow up their channel and get that views and subscribers. So stay to the very end of this video because I will also review one simple upload setting that could be stopping your short from going viral without even knowing it. So if this is a video you want to see, please go ahead to hit that subscription button and notification bell icon so you wouldn't want to miss out on my video anytime I upload. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Before we jump into the step by step, let me quickly explain why this is so important. YouTube Short don't work like regular videos you upload on YouTube. The algorithm pushes them in waves, and if you don't upload them correctly, YouTube won't even give your video a second chance. I'm going to give you an example. Creator A and Creator B both post the same shot. Creator A just uploaded it normally without thinking. Creator B follows the exact steps I'm about to show you right now. Now, this is the result. Creator A gets 200 views, but Creator B hits 500,000 views overnight. This is so massive, and that is why I'm about to give you this insight hit on how you are going to upload your short right now. Now, if you look at this video, they are same content with different results. That is because uploading the right way tells YouTube, hey, post this video to more people. Now let's talk about how you are going to do it and start uploading your views to start getting that views and subscriber, even watch hours you have desired. Alright, now it is time to go straight into the tutorial. I will share my screen and show you exactly how to upload a short the right way to start getting that massive subscribers, that massive views. And again, while uploading your short, you need to link it with your long form video. I linked this video with this short and it get me this views you are seeing right now. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, so all you have to do is to just come over to your YouTube app. I mean the YouTube main app. Yes. So click on that particular video that you want to remix into short, like the video that you want to post as shorts, like you taking the part of the video as short. So all you have to do is, let's take for instance, I want to remix this video into short. All I have to do is just to click it the video, and once I click the video I have to pause it. I don't have to wait it to start reading and all of that. So we have to look on the remix icon, and this is the remix icon. So I will have to click it. Once you click it, it will bring you to remix options, things you can do to remix that shot. If you want to the sound, if you want the collab, the green screen, the cut, the edit into short. So all you have to do is just very simple, click on this edit into short and it will take you to the short form of that video. So now it has taken you to the short form of the video. Now then all you have to do now to take your shot to the next level and start getting that views, subscribers, watch hours from your new audience. Like this particular place that I'm showing you is the most interesting part you have to pay attention to. Okay, so I'm going to teach it to you like an 8-year-old baby so that you understand it very, very well. Okay, now all you have to do is now in this part you have to bring that most interesting part that is very, very sweet, like that part that when people see it on the short feed they'll watch it and also subscribe and also see the long form video of this particular what video. So let's just say I this is the particular side I want to use as this short. These are actionable strategies you can implement today to start seeing results. Whether you are a small so I don't want to make this video to be too long. Then let's just take for instance this is the part that I want to remix into short, and this is the interesting part among the video, this particular video I just remixed. Now all I have to do is, if you don't want this particular shot to be like this, you can click on layout where you have different words, different layout section. You have the single, this is how the single, you have the split one, you have the split one, this is how the split one, split two, so split three. So I think I would prefer the single. Yes, so that when people are watching me, they are watching me in full. Or I can do case of split two. So any one of your choice. So once you have clicked on any of that video, click on continue. To bring you to this particular section. Then once you click on this particular section, all you have to do is click on next. Once you click on next, then you come here and make a thumbnail. You choose a particular thumbnail for that video. Okay, just choose a particular thumbnail for the video. Then you click on this pencil icon, then it will bring you to the thumbnail from that video you make. So you choose the best one that resonates with your audience. Okay, so this is it. Let's just select the one that best suits this video. So once you are done, let me say I don't like this one. I don't like this one. Okay, let's go with this one. So once you have finished with this one, you can write something on the thumbnail. Maybe how to get more views on YouTube. So once you have finished writing it, you can now click on done, then adjust it to the position you want it to placed. Then once you're done, you click on this icon good. So that when people see it, they will be like, how to get more views on YouTube. People will love to click on that video. So the next thing you will do is to put a caption to this short. Put an enticing name, like a catchy title of this particular short. Let's just say how to get more views on YouTube in 2025, in brackets secret tips, maybe in brackets secret tips, then bracket close. Then you have to put the short that is very like short that is going viral, like hashtag that is going viral, like hashtag short. You see it short. This short has a video of 1.1 billion and 63 million channel are using it. So you click on short, then maybe you can use more views, okay. Then you can use let's say YouTube shorts. Okay, YouTube shorts. Then another one you can use SEO. SEO. So that is okay. These particular tags are okay. So because they are high ranking hashtags, all right. So then the next thing is you do is to come over to this related videos, then relate a long form video of this particular relate a long form video of this particular video, maybe so that you get watch hour and subscribers and YouTube recommendation from this particular short. Know that any short that you are posting without linking it to a long form video, you won't get any watch hours, you won't get any subscriber, you will not get any recommendation. So this is the right way you are going to post it. Make sure that every short you are posting, you are linking it with a long form video. Okay, let's just say this is the long form video of this particular short. Let's just say this is the long form video. Then you put your location. Make sure that your location is like me. I normally put my location at United States because my subscribers, my audience are coming from United States. Okay, and so many other first country in the world. So, and I'm going to make a video about how you are going to get views from different countries of the world. So once you have finished adding your location, you have finished putting the related videos, then if your contact is altered, you click yes, but if it's not altered, you click on no. Make sure that all these things here you have filled it. Make sure that you attend to all of these things here. Then once you are done, all you have to do is now to click on this upload short, and your short has start what? Uploading. Okay, and your short it has what? Upload. So this is the right way you are going to post short every time you do what? You upload your video, and you start getting that watch hours, increase your subscribers, increase your watch hour, get YouTube to recommend your videos. Okay, now, like I said, I promise to share one settings that could be killing your shot without you realizing it. When you upload, never set your video as made for kids unless it actually is. If you do, you lose all your comments, both the bad and engagement. So whenever you're uploading your short, don't what? Place it as made for kids. In that way, YouTube would what? Push your short video. YouTube will limit your reach and your videos won't get suggested as much. So instead, always set it as not made for kids so it gets pushed to the right audience. Now you have know how to upload short to go viral, but knowing is not enough. You need to take action. I mean, you really need to take this action and just not watching my video. If this video helped you, hit that like button so more people can get to see it. And if you want more in-depth tips on growing your YouTube fast, subscribe now because I drop a game-changing YouTube secret every week. So comment below if you have ever had a short fluke and what you think went wrong. I will be reading and replying to all comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.